Hey, fashion forward family. Before we dive into today's glam packed episode, I want to take a moment to thank you all, the amazing fashion lovers who've supported this journey. Whether you just joined or have been with us since the beginning, this space is for you, a place where style isn't just worn, it's celebrated. Our community is growing every single day, and I see each comment, every like, and all your amazing feedback. You are the heart of this channel, and together, we're creating something bold, beautiful, and unapologetically fashion forward. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about exploring the hottest trends in women's footwear, especially stilettos, high heels, and mules. From new collections and street styles to celebrity looks and fashion predictions, we bring you everything your shoe-loving soul craves. So hit that subscribe button and join the fashion forward family, where style begins at your feet. Let's dive in. Welcome to Fashion Forward, your ultimate destination for women's shoe trends, style inspiration, and everything fabulous happening in the world of heels. Today's episode is a deep dive into what's hot in 2025: stilettos, high heels, and mules. These aren't just shoes, they're statements, extensions of confidence, power, and elegance. Whether you're a stiletto queen, a high heel addict, or love the effortless glam of mules, you're going to want to watch this till the end. We're covering everything from futuristic designs to comfort innovations, styling tips, celebrity trends, and what's coming next in the footwear scene. Get ready, because your shoe game is about to level up. Let's start with a little background, because fashion is not just about what's new, it's about how far we've come. High heels have a rich history dating back centuries. Originally worn by men in Persian cavalry, heels made their way into European aristocracy and eventually became a powerful fashion symbol for women. In the 20th century, heels evolved from chunky vintage styles to pin-thin stilettos, platform pumps, and elegant kitten heels. Each decade brought something new, from the glam rock platforms of the 70s to the sleek stilettos of the 90s. Fast forward to the 2020s, and we entered an era of comfort, versatility, and design innovation. The fashion world started demanding shoes that look stunning and feel comfortable. By 2025, women's heels are no longer just an accessory, they're a movement. Combining art, engineering, and personal expression, heels now cater to every mood, outfit, and occasion. And that brings us to the first spotlight: stilettos. Stilettos are the ultimate confidence booster. Named after the Italian word stiletto, a small dagger, these heels are sharp, sleek, and seductive. In 2025, stilettos have taken a futuristic leap: sculpted heels. Designers are ditching traditional shapes for architectural looks. Think twisted metal, spirals, and even clear acrylic. Tech-enhanced comfort, smart cushioning, and memory foam insoles that adapt to your feet. Some brands even offer digital pressure mapping. Bold materials, metallic finishes, neon patent leather, iridescent overlays. These stilettos demand attention. Custom fitting. Some luxury brands now scan your foot in-store and 3D print a stiletto customized just for you. Celebrity influence. From Zendaya's chrome stilettos to Rihanna's bejeweled heels, red carpets in 2025 are proof that stilettos are still a fashion favorite. Style tips. Pair neon stilettos with neutral tones for a color pop effect. Use sculptural stilettos as a statement piece. Keep the outfit minimal. Try stilettos with ankle ties or leg straps for added detail. Stilettos in 2025 are not just for looks. They're smart, stylish, and surprisingly wearable. While stilettos steal the spotlight,